Hello, in front of me I've got Nextbase Dashcam 622. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable incident hour function and how to use it. In the beginning, let's go to MyNextbase app, enter menu and go to incident hour. Now simply switch this button and enter your email, your insurer's email, your insurance policy number and your number plate. Then simply save. Incident hour upload can quickly and easily send a video to your insurance company or any another person of your choice. Simply tap on incident hour during auto sync and the video will be uploaded and sent to the email address entered below along with the key policy information. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.